How to install Brave on your smart TV. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you search for Brave browser in your Android TV or smart TV Play Store, you'll find a few specific browser apps but not Brave. So installing Brave browser on Android TV or smart TV involves side loading, but it isn't as complicated as it sounds. So currently there are two simple ways on how you can get Brave on your smart TV. So first method is use a third-party app store like Aptoide. Although we do not recommend it directly, but there is only one case. So first you have to launch your preferred web browser on your Android TV phone and visit this website and download the Aptoide TV to get the APK file. And next install the send files to TV app on your Android phone and TV from the Play Store. So once installed, open the app on your Android phone and go through the first time tips screens and tap on send, as you can see. So similarly, launch the send files to TV app on your Android TV and skip to the welcome screen and tap receive. So once on your Android phone, go to the download folder and select the Aptoide APK file, assuming your Android TV device is on the same network as your phone, which it should be. It should appear in the send to menu. Tap to begin transferring the APK files. So once transferred, you can use the default file explorer or the third-party app like File Explorer or File Commander on your Android TV to sideload the Aptoide TV application file. Regardless of what you choose, navigate to the download folder in your TV's internal storage, click on the Aptoide APK file and click install. Once you installed that, launch it from the Android TV's app menu. Use the top search bar to search for the Brave browser, select the app and results and click install. So if the installer blocks the installation, click settings in the pop-up box, select unknown sources and then click on Aptoide TV to allow it to install Brave. So that just like that, you can easily install it via the third-party application, but you can also use it via USB. So this is another straightforward method for installing Android TV as a USB flash drive on your computer. Open a browser tab just like this and head over to this website called braveaptoide.com/app and click on download to get the application. After that, move it to the USB flash drive. If you have a USB OTG adapter, you can also download the APK on your Android phone and move it to the flash drive. So all that remains is to plug the drive into one of the USB ports on your Android TV device and install the Brave browser APK file from the preferred file manager. So I hope this video was informational guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.